good sized train today. That's what I like seeing on the Kiamichi Road, is this long trains right here. There's Kiamichi Freddy. There goes Eddie and our other buddy heading west to Hugo. They're gonna pick up a train, but I like this welded rail. This is what I want to see on my line right here. On any railroad line that I have contact with, that when I film it. That's what I mean when I contact is if I'm filming on this railroad line, this is what I like to see right here, is welded rail. Hey, there's a rail spike that needs to be replaced right there, but that could be fixed later on. There we go, welded rail. This is what they're gonna put down at that. They stopped right down at the end of that grade crossing down here by Sitco over here, or the entrance to the plant thing over there. But they're gonna restart up sometime in a couple of 2 years. So I filmed over here by Sitco, and there they go, going west. And they got the coal cars back finally. I was wondering what happened to those. Oops, my phone froze for a moment. Oh, sorry about that, guys. I was wondering why it was doing that. Alright. Every railroad that I make contact with, this is what I'll be doing, filming trains. Alright everyone, like, share, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe to Josh's channel too. Shortline Rail Fanners and JT Trains. And that's all I can tell you today. And subscribe to my YouTube channel. Give it a like, give me a thumbs up, share, like, comment, and subscribe. See you somewhere out there on the hot rails of the Kiamichi Railroad and the Queen Eastern Railroad, and a fresh coat of shine right there. Whoop whoop. See you later everyone. Marching out. Thank you for watching. See you next time. See you somewhere out there on the hot rails of the Kiamichi Road and the Queen Eastern Railroad where I'm at. Bye now.